Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to act now, power on the headset, enable pairing, and open your device Bluetooth settings. Start pairing at once so Zoom can detect the device later. Make sure battery is sufficient because low power often prevents stable connections. Once the OS lists the headset as available, pair it, accept prompts, and grant mic permission if requested. Doing this first avoids Zoom timeouts and keeps the audio route clean. After you see a successful pairing message, make sure Zoom remains closed before continuing to the next step. Now open Zoom and go directly to Settings Audio. You must choose your paired Bluetooth device for both speaker and microphone, otherwise the computer will keep using internal speakers. Select it from the drop-downs and then adjust the output and input volume sliders so levels are neither too low nor clipping. Click Test Speaker and Test Mic. This checks routing and lets you hear latency. If echo appears, enable Automatic Call Adjust Microphone or lower speaker volume. That reduces feedback and improves call clarity. Join the meeting and choose Join with Computer Audio, confirming the Bluetooth device is selected. Once connected, mute and unmute to verify mic activity and check participant audio levels. If audio cuts or stutters, first make sure no other app is holding the headset, then reconnect in OS Bluetooth. A fast fix is toggling Bluetooth off and on or switching Zoom audio to another device and back. If problems persist, repair the headset. That clears corrupt profiles and usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.